fresh off the plane with a new mani-pedi. My hair stay laid and you know I get paid. $100 bills like...
Hi, my name's Coach Sam. My pronouns are he, him, and I'm the founder here at TGen Gyms. I've been coaching for over 10 years now across a variety of different disciplines. Strength and conditioning, CrossFit, powerlifting. I like a bit of variety. I became a coach pretty much because of just poor lived experiences and the variety of different touch points that I've had within the fitness industry. I wanted to move into this space to become a coach, especially as a trans person, to be part of the shift and the change of the culture of our industry and to provide access to folks to just the amazing world of strength training and mental health benefits. My favorite part about the coaching journey is that light bulb moment. Taking that newly found confidence from the skills that they have learnt here in the gym into the outside world, making their life just that little bit easier. So I'm a big cat man. I'm a cat dad. I have 3 cats. I am obsessed with black coffee and Eclipse mints. And always just ask any of the coaches. I am definitely the coach that leaves at least 4 beverages out on the gym floor at any given time. I'm the coach that will make you no longer afraid of gym spaces or strength training ever again.